Welcome back, guys. So I know it's been a while since I've made a video. We've just had some really bad weather. It's either been freezing cold, or it's been raining, or the ground has just been a big muddy mess, or it's been frozen. I'm out here today. I do want to just give you a quick update on what I ended up doing with the teeth on the Mini Excavator, and then also tell you about a repair we had to do on the Bobcat Forestry Mulcher. So what I ended up doing with the teeth on the bucket was using grade 8 bolts. I went to Tractor Supply and got 3/8 inch, 2.5 inch long grade 8 bolts with a lock washer, and I put a nut on top of that, and I used the head on the bottom. Now I know this is not ideal, and I honestly don't know how long this is going to last. I'm not going to be using this Mini Excavator a whole lot, and I'm not going to be doing a lot of rock work or concrete work, so I think these will hold up just fine, but this is kind of an experiment to see. I really didn't want to have to weld on these teeth if I didn't have to, but I ended up getting all 4 of them attached, and I did a little bit of a test dig with it, and it seemed to work just fine. So I don't know, tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. Do you think these are going to last, or do you think this was a terrible idea? I'm curious to see what you think. So then over here on the Bobcat, if you remember in the last video I did on forestry mulching, I didn't realize it till I was editing it, but when Craig was running it, you could actually see smoke coming out of here. And shortly after that, the belts completely just tore off of it. And so we had to remove this plate right here. And there's a drum here and a drum here driven off of the hydraulic motor into the big forestry drum. And it's 3 belts that we had to put on there. And man, was that a chore. We had to use the machine to walk it forward to get the belts over the pulleys because there isn't a tensioner on here. So it was really hard to get on there. If anybody has a better way of doing that, please leave a comment below. But the dealer didn't have the belts. I ended up getting them on Amazon. So I'll leave a link to those in the description below. But I'm out here today. I'm just gonna get a little bit of odds and end things done. Probably not video worthy, but I did want to give you a quick update. So I hope you're doing well, and stay tuned. We've got some more videos coming soon. Thanks, and have a great day.